Ralph, for coming. Seriously.
Yeah, I like to add up. I want to thank you a lot.
Yes.
For
It's.
I really, I'm ashamed of being an Arab, and the Arabs, they didn't do
They
nothing.
didn't do it.
Mm-hmm.
And you
Yes.
did it, and
Not related.
you're not related. You
Yes.
did it because you are a
It's
super
not
related
sentient
human being.
nation.
You are related.
So this is my philosophy, and I just felt alone. And the
God
fact
bless you.
God bless us all. Seriously,
Yes.
seriously.
And if
thank you for everyone
Naomi,
supporting.
if I may add, I know that this has been probably difficult, especially for you and Mr. Francis Sling, for organizing this event. And to follow what she said is that you, not Arab, not affiliated, but you're a person with emotions, a sentient being. We did not organize this, but I think, Samia, I think it is better, as bad as it may sound, I think it's better coming from you. Because if it came from us, it would be considered a biased opinion. So I think, and that's why we thank you again, you and Mr. Sling, for doing this, with all the repercussions that may have concurred upon you. But we thank you for organizing it, because if it had come from us, yes, sure, a lot of Arab members or of the community maybe would have come, maybe the same amount of people would have come, but it would have sounded biased coming from us, because of course we're Arabs, so of course we would do it. But coming from you, it means so much more. So thank you.
Well, in that case, shout out to Francis. Really. If it wasn't for Francis, we would not be here today. Really. So thank you. Actually, my thank you goes to Francis for standing for the right thing to do and open up the space for us to be here and to have this conversation. So
Thank you.
I also want to thank the panel. I want to thank Erica for really supporting and spreading the news and getting the information out and posting. Also, as a voice here on the island. I want to thank Tony for jumping on it and saying, yo, I want to say something, I want to do something, I want to help. Karima, who has been pushing also online and also jumped in and say, hey, how can I help? So everybody, even Ralph, we're going to go to you because Ralph has something prepared that he wants to share. Alejandra, who said, hey, I want to share something. Mitchell, who said, hey, can I help, can I support? Khalid, that came to me and said, hey, I want to do something. I'm thinking about, what are you thinking about? We need to do something. So this started last week, and now we're here. Thank you. And also to know, you don't need to be an expert to talk. A lot of times, I can't talk, I don't know, I'm not an expert. We're just human beings trying to make sense of what is happening in the world. So I can only say for everybody who came out, who sat here, who participated in the conversation, together we learn. Literally together we learn. And I think we can hopefully be an example to the rest of the world, because indeed we are living here next to each other, with each other, and also with all our histories that are intertwined. But still we live amongst each other. And let us, on Curacao, as small as we are, let us be an example for the rest of the world.
Yeah, word.
Okay, to end up, I have Tony that wants to say something, and then we are closing up with Ralph, and then we're done. Ralph is doing a poem, so it's just a closing thing.